Paano ko to harap sa inyo?
Yung katabi ng red, tatlong click.
1, 2, 3.
Look.
Hala,
Yung
ba't
katabi ng red, ah.
this one?
Oo.
1, 2, 3. Ayaw.
Na-record naman yung sa kanya. Ayun o.
Okay. So, ganun mo din ibabalik?
Ha? Ganun din, pabalik.
There you go. It's me again, your girl. Paano ko i-end sa red
Ganun
din?
din, yung red. Ano yung mga in-order natin?
Kasi anong oras na? It's 3:54. So we have sea salt latte and caramel macchiato in ice. And in hot.
Okay, mag-buy ka na.
Bye.
Yung sabay mo si ate siya eh.
Niloko na naman yung kita dyan.
Saan na tayo pupunta?
Kaya naman.
Hi. So, nandito na kami sa accommodation and meron kaming binili. It's party time. Oh, sige, ikaw muna. Wag. There were nights when the wind was so cold. Nobody froze and mad if I just listened to it right outside the window. When you touch me like this, and you hold me like that. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than anything else alive. But baby, you know it's a body's free. Had nothing to do with that. Only boys that sing their pennies make my rainy day. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Like a virgin. People know you're like a virgin.
It's me!
Sana ko'y muling iinip. Sana di maging katulad mo. Tulad mo na may what? Pusong bato. Ito naman laging handang-handa sa camera. So we're going to our next destination, which is Botanical Garden. Makeup check. Makeup check.
Bakit ano?
Ano ka dyan, girl?
Healing inner child.
Thank you po.
Mukhang may alay.
Nakasingit naman ito. Liit-liit yung space.
Kitang-kita mo.
Parang ayoko na.
Uy, 1 hour to. Papalit.
Na lang kayo somewhere.
Oh, baboy po. Oh my gosh, nakaka-stress po ito.
Oh my God.